Right. I think that is everything we need from the produce section. I have a nice bag of fresh, crunchy apples for our snacks this week.
They look delicious. Are you just going to put them in the shopping cart like that?
Yes, I'll just put the bag in the cart and then we will go to the checkout. The cashier will weigh them there, right?
Uh, no. That is a very common mistake for people who are new to shopping in Austria. You have to weigh your own loose fruits and vegetables here.
I have to weigh them myself? I have never done that before. In the supermarkets in my home country, the cashier always does it at the checkout.
It's a different system here. It's actually very efficient once you know how to do it. If you look at that sign above the apples, it has a little picture of a weighing scale on it. That means you have to weigh it yourself.
I see that now. Wow. I am a little bit nervous. I have no idea how to use the machines. They look quite complicated.
Don't worry at all. I am an expert. I will give you a full step-by-step tutorial.
Okay, I am ready for my lesson on how to weigh produce. I am glad you are here to be my teacher. Where are the weighing scales?
They are usually placed throughout the produce section, so you are never too far away from one. There is one right over there, between the bananas and the tomatoes.
Ah, yes, I see it. The big silver machine with the green light. Let's go over to it.
So this is the machine. As you can see, it has two main parts. It has the metal plate on the left, which is the scale itself, and it has the big touchscreen on the right. The touchscreen looks a little intimidating. It has so many pictures on it.
It looks more complicated than it is, I promise. It is actually very user-friendly. In a few minutes, you will be a complete professional at using it. I hope so. I don't want to hold up the line of other customers who are waiting to use it.
We will be quick. Let's start with your bag of apples. They will be our first test case. Are you ready for step 1 of the process?
I am ready. I have my bag of apples in my hand. What do I do first?
The first step is to gently place your bag of apples on the metal weighing scale.
Okay, I am putting them on the scale now. Should I press down on them?
No, not at all. Just let the bag rest on the scale by itself. The machine is very sensitive, and it will measure the weight automatically.
I see. And look at the screen. A number has appeared. It says 0.750 kilograms.
Exactly. That is the weight of your apples. 0.75 kilograms or 750 grams. That's a good amount of apples.
So the machine knows how heavy the apples are, but how does it know the price?
That is the next and most important step. We need to tell the machine what kind of fruit is on the scale. We need to use the touchscreen
Okay, so the apples are on the scale, and I can see their weight. Now I need to use the touchscreen.
That's right. You need to tell the machine that you are weighing apples. Look at the screen. It is a menu with lots of pictures of all the different fruits and vegetables that the store sells.
Wow, you are right. It's like a picture book. I can see pictures of bananas, oranges, lemons, grapes, and many other things.
Your task is very simple. You just need to find the picture that matches the item on your scale. So, in this case, you need to find the picture of the apples.
I see it. It's right here on the top row. A beautiful picture of some shiny red apples.
Perfect. So now, you just need to press that picture on the screen.
So I just touch the screen on the picture of the apples?
Exactly. It's just like using a smartphone or a tablet. Go ahead and press it now.
Okay, I am about to press the picture of the apples. But wait a moment. I can see there is not just one picture of apples. There are three different apple pictures.
Ah, that is a very good observation. You are right. Why do you think there are three different pictures?
I'm guessing it is because the supermarket sells three different varieties of apples, and each variety has a different price per kilogram.
You are exactly right. You are a very fast learner. One variety might be the standard red apples, one might be the green sour apples, and one might be the more expensive organic apples.
So now I have a new problem. How do I know which of these three apple pictures is the correct one for the apples that I have in my bag?
That is very easy to solve. Do you remember the big sign above the box where you took the apples from?
Yes, it said the name of the apple, I think it was Gala, and it had the price.
Exactly. And next to the name, there is always a number. It is the product code. Each picture on the screen also has a number next to it. You just need to match the number from the sign to the number on the screen.
Of course! The product code number. That makes it so simple and clear. Let's go back quickly and check the number for our Gala apples.
The number on the sign is 25.
Okay, number 25. Let's go back to the scale. I am looking at the three apple pictures on the screen again. And yes, this one here, the picture of the red apples, has the number 25 next to it.
So that is the one you need to press.
Okay, I am pressing number 25, the Gala apples, now. I heard a little whirring and a printing sound. And look, a little white sticker has just come out of the slot at the bottom of the machine.
That is your price label. You can take it now.
It's a bit sticky on the back, so what do I do with this?
You need to stick it firmly and clearly onto your bag of apples. This is very important. The cashier at the checkout will then scan the barcode on this sticker.
Ah, I see. Let's look at the information on the sticker. It says Gala apples. It has the weight, 0.750 kilograms. It has the price per kilo. And it has the final total price for my bag of apples and a big barcode at the bottom.
Congratulations! You have successfully weighed your first item of produce. You are now an expert.
I feel very proud of myself. It was actually much easier than I thought it would be. Thank you for the clear instructions. Now I feel confident, and I would like to try to weigh another item all by myself.
That is a great idea. Practice makes perfect. What are you going to weigh next?
On our shopping list, it says we need a small piece of fresh ginger for the curry we are making. I have a nice piece of ginger right here.
Okay, an excellent choice for your next challenge.
Right. So, following your instructions, the first step is to place the item on the scale. I am doing that now. The weight is 0.150 kilograms.
Perfect. Now for the second step. You need to find the picture of ginger on the touchscreen.
Okay, I am looking at the screen now. I can see all the common vegetables, potatoes, carrots, onions, peppers, but I can't see a picture of ginger. I have looked on every page. I have looked at all the pictures on the screen, and I cannot find one for ginger. What should I do now?
Don't worry. This happens sometimes, especially with less common or exotic items. There isn't enough space on the screen to have a picture for absolutely everything.
So, how do I tell the machine that I am weighing ginger?
There are two other ways to find your item. The first way is to use the search function. Do you see the button with the picture of a magnifying glass?
Yes, I see it.
If you press that, a keyboard will appear on the screen, and you can just type in the name of the item. You would type ginger, or in our case, the German word Ingwer.
That's a useful function. What is the other way?
The other way, which is often faster, is to look up the item by its number code, just like we did with the apples. Let's go and look at the sign above the box of ginger.
Okay, the number on the sign for the ginger is 45.
Perfect. Now, back at the machine, you can see there is a keypad on the screen. Just type the number 45 into that keypad.
Okay, so I am typing the product code 45 into the keypad on the screen. Now I will press Enter.
And what has happened?
The name Ingwer has appeared on the screen. So the machine has found the correct item using the number. That is a great trick to know if you can't find the picture.
It is. It's often much quicker than searching through all the pictures. So now you just need to press on the name Ingwer to confirm your choice.
I am pressing it now. And there we go. Another little price label has just been printed.
You see, you are a complete professional. You have now mastered both the picture method and the number method.
I have. I will just take this sticker and put it on the piece of ginger. It feels a bit strange to put a big sticker on such a small item.
It does, but it is necessary for the cashier. You have done a perfect job. Your ginger is now ready for the checkout.
I feel so much more confident now. Thank you so much for the lesson. I can now weigh any fruit or vegetable in the whole supermarket.
I told you it was easy once you knew the system. So let's quickly summarize the steps. First, you put your item on the scale. Second, you find the item on the touchscreen, either by using the picture or by typing in the number code.
And third, I press the item to confirm. And fourth, I take the printed price label and stick it on the item.
A perfect summary. Now, I have a final question for you. Why do you think we have to do this ourselves? Why doesn't the cashier just do it at the checkout?
That is a question I was asking myself at the beginning, but I think I know the answer now. It is all about efficiency and speed.
Exactly.
At the checkout, the cashier can just scan the barcode on our sticker. This is much faster than if she had to weigh each item, look up the code, and type it into her computer. This system makes the queues at the checkout much shorter for everyone.
You have understood it perfectly. It's a very clever system. Now, I think our shopping is finally complete.